Practice Development Hub have helped me in discussion with cases. They offer peer support. You're able to discuss ideas and different approaches.
When I've been finding things difficult or I've been feeling really stressed, I've always been really well supported by my manager.
Having that extra support and that backup and people that know different things, it's really helpful in making a difference in the cases that we're working on.
Practice Development Hub is a team in Barnsley that was set up to support our practitioners in children's services.
We work with the children's social care workforce to support and offer advice and training around all aspects of children's social work.
Just had quite a difficult case where I've needed quite a lot of guidance, and I was allocated one of the Practice Development Hub workers, Cleo. She's come on board and offered support and advice. We actually got mum who was refusing to come to any meetings talking to social workers. That engagement has come from the Practice Development Hub and Cleo's support.
I strongly believe the benefits of having the hub in Barnsley is we can share the wealth of experience that we all have to go out there and support workers to develop their practice.
We tailor our support and our training to the needs of the service, to the needs of the workers and to the needs of the families.
We're a bespoke service. We can offer support to any social worker that needs it.
I've recently attended some Back to Basics training, which is a newly qualified social worker is really helpful. Having those basic skills right from the off has been really useful and means we can then build on our practice.
Barnsley is really unique and we're really committed to the staff and to staff development.
I've been a social worker for a very, very long time. I've not worked anywhere that's as supportive as Barnsley and has got the structure in place, such as a team like the Hub, where we can support people all the way through their career. Social work is a tough profession, but Barnsley's got your back.